You know, it's always a good day when we're back in the YOLO Texas studios because there's always wine involved. It's always my favorite day. Double the fun because double the host, double the trouble.
Well, you know, the holidays are here. It's everyone's, favorite time of the year. And let me tell you, we are ready to show you some amazing cocktails to make you the hostess with the mostest.
Yes.
This is perfect to start off with.
Okay.
This is the Chateau Ste Dry Riesling. It's perfect, elegant, so refreshing, and it's the perfect drink while you're preparing dinner. I mean,
you gotta marinate the cook sometimes, okay? But if you're into red wines, like me, H3 Wines has a great Cabernet Sauvignon. This is a great wine if you're actually eating the meal. I promise you, you will be like the life of the party. You're bringing good wine, especially when it's an H3 wine.
So I'll take this and this one, and I'll be good to start off with.
Yes. So we're gonna be making a nice sangria using the 14 hands hot to trot. It's a smooth red wine. So you're gonna need apples, you're gonna need oranges, and then you're gonna go ahead and put about 2 cups worth of cranberries. So not those canned ones that you're gonna use for your Thanksgiving meal. Okay, so you're gonna transfer all of your fruit over, and then you're gonna actually use some extra flavor up in here.
What are we using?
Some brandy.
Seriously?
I know, my best friend right here. She's gonna be coming along for the party. 2 ounces of orange liqueur. And then the next ingredient is we're gonna actually add a little more sparkle with some sparkling cider I have over here, just hidden behind the camera. From there, this is where the fun begins. You get this fun bottle of wine and you do this. And then we're gonna go ahead and stir it up.
It's so beautiful. Do we have to drink it? It's just...
I know, we have to drink it.
All right, cheers.
Cheers. Yay.
Let's try it out.
It's our first holiday drink.
Wow, that is delicious. It's literally like festive fall holidays in a cup.
I told you the sweet red wine is easy to take down. 1 drink down.
One drink to go. All right, AC, I got you covered. If you want something spicy,
okay,
we are gonna start off by opening the Erath Pinot Noir. It's a classic red wine to drink right after Thanksgiving. You know, after you're done cooking your Thanksgiving meal and you would much rather do takeout, this pairs super well with it.
Into it, love it.
So we are gonna start off with 2 whole apples sliced up thinly, and we're gonna keep a few to garnish at the end.
I love that some of our ingredients are rolling over, so if you really wanted to, you could bring 2 different cocktails to your party.
Oh, for sure. So with this, it's a little different. You actually have to crush these in here, and then it's the seeds in it that we're going to use.
Oh, interesting.
The seeds are gonna give it that nice spicy flavor.
Herby flavor.
Yes.
Yeah.
Now, we are going to use just 1 of the star anise. That's all you need. Now we're gonna move on to the liquids.
Okay.
We're gonna use the orange liqueur. We're gonna use a 1/2 cup of this. Apple cider. The Pinot Noir. The whole bottle.
Yeah.
You need the whole bottle for this.
It looks like a little party up in that picture.
You have to smell this.
Okay.
Before we put it in the fridge, smell it.
Oh!
All the spices that you need.
It really is just like fall in a pitcher. Okay, cheers. Woo!
It hits you.
Oh my
Give it a few
goodness.
seconds and that spice is going to hit you so good.
Again, all of these wines are easy to find. These recipes are easy to make, and
Absolutely.
they're affordable.
Cheers to the holiday season.
Yeah, cheers.